Hey everyone, if you're wondering how to connect DroidCam via Bluetooth, here's what you need to know. DroidCam does not support Bluetooth connections for streaming your phone's camera to a PC. Instead, it officially works over Wi-Fi or USB. So let me quickly explain the correct options. First, install the DroidCam app on your phone and the DroidCam client on your Windows PC. If you want a wireless connection, connect both devices to the same Wi-Fi network. Then open the app on your phone, enter the displayed device IP address and port into the PC client, and click Start. If you prefer a wired connection, connect your Android phone with a USB cable, enable USB debugging, select the USB option in the DroidCam client, and click Start to connect. Yeah, while you can pair your phone and computer using Bluetooth, DroidCam won't transmit video through Bluetooth because it doesn't provide enough bandwidth for a stable webcam connection. That's why the app is designed to use Wi-Fi or USB instead. And that's it. Now you know that DroidCam doesn't support Bluetooth and which connection methods you should use instead. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.